The benefits of investing in sustainable real estate. By Dr. Pooyan Ghamari, PhD, Swiss economist. Sustainable real estate has become a cornerstone for savvy investors, developers, and consumers who are increasingly aware of environmental issues. As concerns about climate change and resource depletion grow, the demand for eco-friendly buildings rises. Investing in sustainable real estate is not only a strategic financial move but also a commitment to environmental stewardship and social responsibility. This article delves deeply into the myriad benefits of sustainable real estate investment, providing a comprehensive overview of its financial, environmental, and social advantages. Understanding sustainable real estate. Definition and importance. What is sustainable real estate? Sustainable real estate refers to properties designed, built, and operated to minimize environmental impact. This includes energy-efficient buildings, utilization of renewable energy sources, sustainable materials, and practices promoting water conservation and waste reduction. Importance. Sustainable real estate is vital for reducing carbon footprints, conserving natural resources, and fostering healthier living environments. As the threats of climate change and resource scarcity become more pronounced, the significance of sustainable real estate continues to escalate. Financial benefits. Energy efficiency and cost savings. Reduced operating costs. Sustainable buildings are designed to consume less energy and water, resulting in significantly lower utility bills. Implementing energy-efficient HVAC systems, LED lighting, and water-saving fixtures can lead to substantial cost savings over the building's lifespan. Increased property value. Properties with sustainable features often command higher market values. Buyers and tenants are willing to pay premiums for energy-efficient and environmentally friendly buildings, driving up property values and enhancing return on investment. Access to incentives and financing. Government incentives. Many governments offer attractive tax credits, rebates, and grants to promote the development of sustainable buildings. These incentives can significantly offset the initial costs of green building projects, making them more financially viable. Green financing. The availability of green financing options is growing, including lower interest loans and favorable terms for sustainable real estate projects. These financial products facilitate the funding of eco-friendly developments, providing investors with advantageous financing solutions. Resilience and long-term investment. Durability. Sustainable buildings are typically constructed with high-quality materials that last longer and require less maintenance. This durability translates to lower maintenance costs and fewer repairs, enhancing the property's long-term value. Market demand. As environmental awareness increases, the demand for sustainable properties is expected to rise. Investing in sustainable real estate positions investors to benefit from this growing market trend, ensuring long-term profitability and market relevance. Environmental benefits. Reduced carbon footprint. Lower emissions. Sustainable buildings emit fewer greenhouse gases due to their energy-efficient designs and the use of renewable energy sources. This reduction in emissions is crucial in combating climate change and promoting a healthier planet. Sustainable practices. The use of sustainable materials, recycling programs, and green construction practices further reduce the environmental impact of real estate developments, contributing to overall sustainability goals. Conservation of natural resources. Water conservation. Sustainable real estate projects often incorporate advanced water-saving technologies, such as low-flow fixtures, rainwater harvesting systems, and xeriscaping. These practices significantly reduce water consumption, promoting resource conservation. Energy conservation. By utilizing energy-efficient systems and renewable energy sources, sustainable buildings dramatically reduce energy consumption. This conservation effort helps preserve natural resources and reduces reliance on non-renewable energy sources. Enhanced biodiversity and ecosystems. Green spaces. Sustainable real estate developments often include green spaces, such as parks, gardens, and green roofs. These areas support biodiversity, provide habitats for wildlife, and improve air quality, contributing to a healthier urban ecosystem. Sustainable landscaping. The use of native plants and sustainable landscaping practices reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides, fostering healthier ecosystems and promoting biodiversity. Social benefits. Healthier living environments. Improved air quality. Sustainable buildings often feature advanced ventilation systems and use non-toxic materials, resulting in significantly better indoor air quality. This improvement can lead to healthier living and working environments for occupants, reducing the risk of respiratory issues and other health problems. Natural light and comfort. Sustainable designs prioritize natural light, ergonomic layouts, and thermal comfort. These features enhance the well-being and productivity of occupants, making sustainable buildings more desirable for tenants and buyers. Community development. Social responsibility. Investing in sustainable real estate demonstrates a strong commitment to social responsibility. Developers and investors who prioritize sustainability contribute to the creation of healthier, more resilient communities, enhancing their reputations and fostering goodwill. Job creation. The development and maintenance of sustainable buildings create numerous job opportunities in green construction, renewable energy, and environmental management sectors, supporting economic growth and community development. Enhanced marketability. Appeal to eco-conscious consumers. Sustainable properties attract eco-conscious consumers who prioritize environmental responsibility. This appeal can lead to higher occupancy rates, tenant retention, and overall marketability of the property. Positive public image. Companies and investors involved in sustainable real estate benefit from a positive public image. Demonstrating a commitment to sustainability can enhance brand reputation, customer loyalty, and stakeholder trust. Future trends in sustainable real estate. Technological innovations. Smart building technologies. The integration of smart building technologies, such as IoT devices and AI-driven energy management systems, will further enhance the efficiency and sustainability of real estate developments. These technologies enable real-time monitoring and optimization of building performance, reducing energy consumption and operational costs. Renewable energy solutions. Advances in renewable energy technologies, including solar panels, wind turbines, and energy storage systems, will make sustainable buildings even more energy efficient and cost-effective. These solutions contribute to the growing trend of energy self-sufficiency and carbon neutrality. Regulatory developments. Stricter building codes. Governments are increasingly implementing stricter building codes and regulations that mandate sustainable practices. Staying ahead of these regulations can provide a competitive advantage for investors, ensuring compliance and enhancing the property's market value. Sustainability certifications. Achieving sustainability certifications, such as LEED or BREEAM, will become more important as regulatory and market pressures increase. These certifications signal a strong commitment to sustainability and can significantly enhance property value and marketability. Investor and consumer demand. Growing awareness. As awareness of climate change and environmental issues continues to grow, investor and consumer demand for sustainable real estate will increase. This trend will drive the development of more eco-friendly properties, providing lucrative investment opportunities for forward-thinking investors. Corporate responsibility. Companies are increasingly adopting sustainability goals and seeking properties that align with their values. Sustainable real estate investments can attract corporate tenants and partners who prioritize environmental responsibility, enhancing the property's appeal and marketability. Advanced strategies for investing in sustainable real estate. Integrated design and planning. Holistic approach. Adopting an integrated design and planning approach ensures that sustainability is considered at every stage of the development process. This includes site selection, architectural design, material selection, and construction practices. Collaboration with experts. Collaborate with sustainability experts, architects, and engineers to incorporate the latest green building technologies and practices. Their expertise can help optimize the building's performance and sustainability credentials. Continuous improvement and innovation. Adopt best practices. Stay updated with the latest sustainability trends and best practices in real estate. Continuously improve your projects by integrating innovative technologies and sustainable practices. Monitor and measure performance. Implement systems to monitor and measure the performance of sustainable buildings. Use data analytics to track energy consumption, water usage, and other key metrics to ensure the building operates at peak efficiency. Conclusion. Investing in sustainable real estate offers numerous benefits, from financial gains and environmental stewardship to social responsibility and enhanced marketability. As the demand for eco-friendly properties continues to rise, forward-thinking investors can capitalize on this trend, contributing to a more sustainable future while achieving long-term profitability. Dr. Pooyan Ghamari, Ph.D., Swiss economist. Embracing sustainable real estate investments not only makes good financial sense but also aligns with global efforts to combat climate change and promote environmental sustainability. By prioritizing sustainability, investors can create lasting value for themselves and future generations.